So of course your thing is the Consul Capri, right?
Yep.
But you've never seen mine like this before. Let me show you this, because this is very, very special indeed.
It's not standard, is it?
It's not standard. This is quite something. So if you can come around and have a look at this, please, Kev, because what we've got here at the front, look at the difference. We've got these LED lights in here and the horns at the front, which is great. The bumpers are off of a Triumph, which is fantastic. Okay. Come and have a look at this. Look, come around here. We've got this beautiful fleck roof. Look at that.
Glitter roof.
Glittering in the sunshine. And look how you open the doors. You push that in there and you pull it out like that. And on the top, you can see the dice, which is great. Let's move around the back. Got the fantastic wheels, white wall tyres, of course. The aerial goes through your favourite bit, of course.
Through the wing?
Through the wing. What do you think of that?
Well, wow.
It's quite something, isn't it?
Yeah.
Again, we've got the lights at the back. And you know you like your favourite bit, which, of course, is the number plate with the fuel cap. You notice
it's now on show, you can see
well,
it, yeah?
you see we've got this little secret compartment in here which you have to pull down, and below here is the petrol cap. Isn't that cool? You thought the other one was cool. I thought maybe machine guns, James Bond was going to happen there.
Come out there, no, that will come out here.
Yeah, it would come out there, yeah. So let's go inside. You push the button and pull it towards you.
Oh yeah?
That's it. Mind your nails. I've already broken mine twice. And inside, it's just more purple.
Yeah, but that's different.
Yeah, well, you see, that's a Zodiac dash on there.
Okay.
We've got more dice.
Yeah. Little touches.
Little touches, yeah, which is rather nice as well.
You've got two little square buttons here.
Yep.
More chrome here. Extra chrome.
Extra chrome on the interior side, yeah, because around your favourite windows, there's more chrome. What do you think of that? What's your thoughts?
Look, I love these cars, and I think everyone has just their own little bits of appeal, and I love it. It's like a work of art. Look, cars are a work of art.
Yeah.
So what people do with them, that's their folk art. And
Exactly,
I love that.
yeah. And it's also automatic, of course.
Different steering wheel, different centre.
Yeah, different centre on it. And this beautiful fleck carpet as well, which is beautiful.
You've got glitter on the roof, and you've got glitter on the floor upholstery.
Yeah, and you've got Betty Boo in the back. Yeah. It's quite something. But who does this car belong to? Well, I told you earlier, it belongs to a lady called Rachel. She's just bought it. Let's find out why she's bought such an amazing car, shall we?
Good woman. So this is Rachel, the owner of this most fabulous Consul Capri that's just a little bit different. And Rachel, I've got to ask this. What made you want a Consul Capri? What happened?
Well, I went to Cozy Cafe about a month ago, and we saw a car there, and I loved the shape but wasn't sure of the colour, and I said to my husband I'd love it if it was pink, like purple. He said I see one on eBay, so we've got in touch with the bloke that was selling it. It was still for sale, and we went on the Sunday and bought it.
So it's not like you had a great love of these, you just saw them and went, I want one of those.
Yeah, I fell in love with the shape of it, and then when we went and had a look, the man had it out the garage and it was running, and my husband saying, don't be too keen. And I see it, and it was just like, oh wow. It was like the film Christine.
Ah, okay.
Oh, I fell in love with it.
So
and took it home that day.
Now you have a history with kind of old cars because one of your family members.
My uncle, yeah.
Tell us that story.
Well, he used to always be into American cars, or we used to go up to London to the one of the bridges. They used to do cruises over there with
Chelsea
the American
cruise,
cars. That's it. When I was younger and I first met my husband, we used to go up there with him, and it was just fantastic. And when we was on holiday down in Somerset, he'd go, if he saw a car parked outside the house, he'd go and knock on the door and ask if he could buy it. And the times he used to come home with another car.
So you and I share a love of, I love American cars. And when I saw this, I thought, this looks like a Chevy Impala. It's like a baby American car, and it looks like a baby Chevy.
Yeah.
So it's a kind of similar kind of coming together.
Yeah.
So now you've
I
got
love
it.
these big steering wheels. I've always liked those.
I always say driving these is a bit like driving a boat. Because it's roughly in the right direction, but it's not spot on, especially compared to a new
Right.
car. But also, even the fact that you've got some changes on this, because you've got a different dash. I've noticed on the floor, you'd normally have the full beam button on the floor that you could hit.
Oh, right,
But
okay.
you've got a little square button over there. That's a horn. If you're a lady driver with a classic car, we need you. If you go to the Facebook page, This Is My Classic, post a picture of your car, because maybe we could be sitting in your car and talking to you about your car story. Rachel, I know that that's not a standard engine.
Wow.
So do you know what that is?
No. John?
Bring in John.
So John, it looks like a Pinto to me, is it?
It's a 2-litre Pinto.
Okay, and what else have you added or taken away?
It's got I suppose it's standard 32, 36 Weber.
Okay.
It's got an electric fan on it, I know that. It has an oil cooler, which you can't see, which is behind there.
Okay.
Other than that, it's pretty standard.
So Rachel, when you were driving as a teenager, did you imagine yourself in such a cool car?
No, well, I didn't pass my driving test about 20 years ago, so I've already had my children
Okay.
at that time, so we could never afford to have a car like this, really.
Oh, okay.
So
Easier, wouldn't it?
it would have been, yeah, it would have been made life a lot easier.
Oh, Rachel, I know you're going to have such a fab time. I can't wait to meet up with you in this car.
Yeah, it'd be
I mean, in a
lovely,
year's
yeah.
time, you're just going to be cruising everywhere. So well done
Thank you.
at taking the jump and doing it, and also just taking care of her. It's fabulous.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Well,
Isn't
thank
it?
you both for showing us this lovely car.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to Classic Car Stories and check out our other videos of the Consul Capri, because every car has a story to tell.